Aliyo igalo Somaliye garo kala gurki mahe kala gurashoye garo baladan korfeyo inaan gaaro faashado gadafooyin dhacayo waayaha gardaajo waqtiga gunaanaday anna waxaan gudiyayo midkaan soo gudbinayo dooni isu taagani waa go'aan dadweyno gees laga mara jirin
goob kastoo aan joogaba gobonimada kama tago walaalkugu
My delegation, we are honored, Mr. Minister, to have this opportunity to participate in this meeting. First of all, we appreciate the water engineers trained by the government of Israel, 50 water engineers from Somaliland. 25 have already finished their training and 25 has now arrived. So we thank you very much for that capacity building for the water sector of Somaliland. The other thing is that we want to emphasize the importance of water for Somaliland. Somaliland is a semi-desert and most the infrastructure of water is not developed. So in the dry season, most of the animals and people both suffer because of lack of water. So we hope that we will find a project now called Water for All. And you will, with your assistance, we will develop that project. So every citizen in Somaliland will have maybe within 3 years an available water to drink. The other thing is that we also acknowledge the strategic value of water cooperation between Israel and Somaliland, and we want to benefit from the technology of Israel. In general, the energy sector, electricity is also, or especially clean energy. Most of the electricity we use now is from the electric generators, which is very expensive. So solar systems are now introduced in a small scale projects. We have a wind, we have all the year, we have sun. So solar energy is a new energy that we can benefit from. Regarding energy, we also have an abundance of resources. We have oil, we have gas, we have minerals, but they are not exploited. So we will need the technology and the investment to benefit from that resource.